MEPs voted for cars on European roads to be cleaner. By 2030, car makers will have to cut their fleet-wide CO2 emissions by 40%. On-demand platforms will have to feature a 30% quota of European content. New rules on audiovisual media will also protect children from violent content and apply stricter rules on advertising. Parliament decided to cancel €70 million of pre-accession funding to Turkey. The country has failed to make improvements in the rule of law, democracy, human rights and press freedom. Members have set their priorities for the October 18th EU Heads of State meeting in Brussels. The summit will focus on Brexit, migration and internal security. Only 1.1% of criminal profits was confiscated in the EU between 2010 and 2014. MEPs voted on new measures to make the confiscation and freezing of criminal assets quicker and simpler.